嗨，大家好，我是木木，欢迎大家收听今天的早安英文。
嗨，大家好，我是 Jack。I'm
really done in. I think I'll go to bed after all that cleaning.
All what cleaning? What cleaning did you do?
刚刚呢，我说了一个句子，用到了 done in， 它的原型是 do in， 它表示 exhausted and in need of rest， 就是很疲惫，需要休息。所以今天呢，要跟大家聊一聊一些常见的和 do 有关的表达，有些千万不要直接翻译，一定会闹笑话的。我们刚刚谈论了这个 do in 有疲劳的意思，接下来分享几个更加常见的表达。
Yeah, so we have another one here. A must do. A must do. This is something that you should make a concerted effort to do in your lifetime. So you definitely should do it.
没错，刚刚 Jack 分享的这个呢叫 a must do， 必须要做的事情。比如说a trip to London is a must do. You can really feel the energy there.
Yeah, exactly. So anything that you feel like you have to do. So, you know, seeing that movie is a must. You can say as well, a must is also okay.
对，没错。我刚刚说呢，去伦敦旅游是一件必须要做的事情。你在那儿会感受到一些能量。那还有什么事情是必须要做的？就可以说 a must do. 那接下来这个呢，我们要谈论的是 do a shot.
Yes, to do a shot is to drink a small amount of alcohol out of a shot glass. So I think everybody knows, you know, what this is. We've all seen it before. A shot is just a little one gulp and it's done. One gulp drink and it's done. So to do a shot.
没错啊，这个就是喝一小杯，用一个小玻璃杯呢，特别像白酒杯的那种，你喝一口就叫做 a shot。比如说 let's make a conversation.
Yeah. Okay, so you could say
I could say, hey, come on, do a shot with us.
And then I would say, no thanks, I've had enough to drink.
Liar. 所以刚刚我们说，来，和我们喝一小杯吧。Do a shot with us， 就是和我们喝一杯。How many shots can you drink and won't get drunk?
I think that depends what's in the shot. Some shots can be very strong, like tequila, and other shots can be quite weak, maybe like Baileys or something.
那我刚刚问 Jack 你要喝多少杯这种 shots 你才会醉呢？他说如果喝很多，像 tequila 龙舌兰，那这个酒精浓度比较高呢，就很容易醉。那比如说像贝利甜酒，就是比较甜的那种酒，那就可能就 never get drunk because of this.
Can't get drunk on that.
那接下来这个呢，我们要提到的和 do 有关的叫做 do or die.
Yes, this means that you have to do something or you completely fail. So there is no room for failure. You have to achieve what you're trying to achieve. So, for example, you could say, this exam is a do or die moment, meaning if you fail, you won't go to the university you want to. Yeah, exactly. Your everything is ruined, so you have to pass it. So this is how you can use do or die.
没错 do or die 呢就是决一死战的意思，拼了。比如说 I have to get an A on my essay if I'm going to pass the class. So it's a do or die situation now. 所以 do or die situation 指的就是决一死战的时刻。
Yeah, so it's very important. That's probably the best way to say that. So have you ever had a do or die situation, Mumu?
Yeah, the China's entrance examination. 那就高考，我觉得还有以及when I prepare my TMA test. I think it's the do or die situation for me.
Definitely.
How about you?
Maybe when
you kill your mom.
玩游戏，对吧？You know I will say this.
杀怪物的时候。Okay, the last one we're going to talk about is do good. 直接翻译呢就是做好的。那么这个地方的 do good 到底是什么意思呢？
Do good. This means that something will be good. It has a positive effect on someone. So in a usage, a noun or a pronoun is used between do and good.
没错，它其实表示的就是对什么什么有好处。我们在一个句子当中来感受一下，比如说 If you're feeling sad， 如果你感觉到不开心 ，getting out in the sunlight， 去外面有阳光的地方 should do you good，
Yeah.
对你肯定是有帮助的。
Exactly.
Do you believe it?
Yeah, I think it can. I think the weather affects our mood. If it's rainy, you will be sad, but if it's sunny, usually people will be happier.
But for me, shopping would do me good.
Yeah, true enough.
就购物呢会使我开心，对我比较有帮助，所以 do 什么什么 good， 对什么什么有帮助。
Okay, right, well, let's have a recap on the vocabulary and things we've learned today. Okay, firstly, do in.
Do in 呢就是表示疲惫，需要休息。
A must do.
A must do 是必须要做的一件事情。
Do a shot.
Do a shot 就是喝一杯。
Do or die.
决一死战的。
Do good.
对什么有好处？那今天呢，只是给大家分享了一些和 do 有关的一些表达。
Hello, welcome to Morning English. 早安英文呢是一个为大家免费提供英语教学的频道，每天都会更新。如果你想获得关于英语听说读写的内容，我们都会在这个频道更新。我们的目标是帮助全球的华人学好英语。如果你觉得还不错的话，记得给我们订阅哦。另外，点开小铃铛，这样的话就不会错过其他任何学习视频啦。对了，如果你想获取本节课的完整版笔记，在视频简介或者评论区领取哦。你也可以给这个视频点赞，点赞就相当于自动保存啦。
我是木木，
我是 Jack.
我们下期见啦，
拜拜。